Hi everyone, I'm Heather K. Terry. I'm the founder and CEO of GoodSAM Foods. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make our GoodSAM chocolate sauce. This sauce I put on everything from pancakes to cakes, muffins. It is super universal. You're gonna wanna keep it on hand all the time. So what we're gonna be using for this recipe is a half bar of our GoodSAM Foods 55% dark chocolate. We're gonna be using some cacao powder, some oil. You can sub that out with anything. Today we're using olive oil, but you can use coconut oil, avocado oil, whatever you have on hand. A little bit of milk just to loosen up the sauce a bit. And this is really, really special. This honey comes from one of our associations where we source cacao. And this is another project that's happening there. So I'm really excited to try this in the sauce today. So let's get started. And I think what's really nice about our bars is that they're sectioned out really well. So figuring out what half of this is really simple. You can just break them up as they are, right, in little pieces. Our milk, cocoa powder, and our honey. This honey is really beautiful. And now we're gonna place this over some heat. The reason that we don't place chocolate right into a pan is because it will burn really, really quickly.